Right, gentlemen. Now we'll see something on async. So please help me. I'm I'm starting a function. Excuse me. I'll call a function called f1 where I want to wire up a callback to this. Right? I want to wire up a callback. Right. And now what I'm trying to do here is I'll use the callback until I want to push some information for you. Right? Okay. So I want to push some information for you. What is it? What is it you want to push? So I want to push two informations. One, I'll tell success. Two, I'll tell null. Okay, I'll have another callback registered here where I'll tell null and I'll tell failure. So what is it, gentlemen? What is that means? I want somebody to subscribe functions to me where, okay, if success is null, one is success, one is failure. Any one should be null for me. Getting it right? So based on which the appropriate information will reach the consumer. Now here we'll try to do console.writeLine. I'm sorry, not console. ये क्या हो रहा है? Console.log. So here I'll tell f1 apple. ठीक है जी? f1 apple. Right? f1 apple. So first we'll try to give success. f1 apple है और success है. I'll try to have a couple of more functions there. I'll call it as f2 orange as usual. Orange. So orange. क्या हो गया? Okay. Start. And displays I'll tell end and end. So here I'll have f3. That's enough, guys. You are there? So I have f3. So f3 के लिए the people are helping me. जहाँ help चाहिए वहाँ help नहीं करते. Yeah, pine, orange, apple. ये correct बोलते हो आप लोग. जो मेरा next step है. Okay. ये लोडाश क्यों लोड हुआ? ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्ट्रक्चरिंग पता है? ES6 ये क्या पता है ना? Lodash will have multiple properties from which I'm just extracting only. अभी नहीं चाहिए वो. अच्छा जी, आगे चलते हैं. You all are there? Wonderful. मूड खराब हो गया है जी मेरा. वो API की वजह से. आपका भी खराब हो गया? क्यों? API की वजह से? API की परचेस करना है इसलिए. हाँ, अभी देखो. Now, excuse me, I'll try to have have a collection. I'll call it as fun array. ठीक है जी? This is fine. And now I'm telling fun array dot push. क्या push करना है आपको? F1 F2 and F3. Okay, so what I'm pushing is the function references. Is it clear? Okay. Functor नहीं है जी वो function reference पर. Functor is different. Functor, what is functor? जो भी local context है उसको capture कर लेगा. जो भी variables है, local variables है, वो सब capture कर लेगा. That is functor. So how do you write functors? Lambda expression. वो functor है. You write the arrow function. What you write? That's a functor. Right. Okay. Now, this is fine. I just called the reference. Now I want to run through this. So how would you run through this array? Fun array. Yeah, बताओ. Dot for each. क्या करना है? Okay, so first I have to. Yeah, for each में क्या क्या डालना है? First, okay, so it's asking. It's a callback function. What to do with each? Getting it right? So what to do with each? Okay, so there is a callback function for you, and then you can get the index. You can see this. Okay, the function that accepts these arguments. So what I'll do here is I'll tell x goes to काफी है. Okay, so x goes to, so that is nothing but your function. So x goes to, that is a function for you where I can tell x of, okay, x of, ठीक है क्या? सॉरी ये सी डब्ल्यू डाल देता हूं मैं सी शार्प की आदत में. कंसोल राइट लाइन. So each and every element of the array we are walking through, and then what we're registering here is, you can see message and error, and here I'm telling success apple, callback में success apple, success, देखो help आ गया. इसके बाद बताओ क्या करना है. हाँ जी. हाँ, अच्छा F3 है. ठीक है. अच्छा जी, अभी मदद करो मुझे. So, so here when I come, what I'm doing is console, ऐसे डाल देंगे console.log, console.log. आपका मैसेज है, what's your message? Is MSG, ऐसे ही रखेंगे. If any error is there, error ऐसे ही रखेंगे. Could you tell the output of the program? हाँ जी. 1 minute guys, I'll just remove this failures. एक मिनट. Generally error will come first, right? Then ठीक है जी, छोड़ दो. So we'll have like this. 1 minute please. हाँ जी. Yeah, please help me now. So when I come here, this is going to be error and this is going to be the message, right? Yeah, please give me the output of the program. हाँ बताइए जी. बहुत छोटा हो गया. Yes, tell the output of the program now. हाँ, मैं कुछ समझा नहीं। वो उसने बोला स्टार्ट, उसके बाद सारा हाथ में ही हो गया। आफ्टर दैट स्टार्ट, हाँ। तो मुझे बाकी समझना है क्या है। हाँ जी। हाँ। जी, इसलिए कॉल बैक्स बता रहे थे सवेरे से आपको। इवन दिस इज कॉल बैक। क्या हो रहा है बताओ। ओके, इसके साथ डाल देंगे हाय। ओके। हाँ जी, आगे चलते हैं हम। Okay, we'll go for the answer. Apple start. Apple start. Hi message. Success Apple. So on and so forth. Right? This is which one? Async operation number 5. Okay, जी? And this is number 2. Node. This one. क्या हुआ? So, ठीक है? Where is कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया। ठीक है जी? So I'm just running through the loop here. So Apple start. ठीक है? This is absolutely fine. एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो। So there's a function we are winding up, right? So each and every call there's a function getting in. So we are calling the function. एक और काम करेंगे यहाँ पे, right? So we'll draw a line guys. Just give me a second please. हेल्प करो मुझे। हाँ जी, right. I forgot that. और यहाँ पे MSG will interpolate. ठीक है? Everything is fine. So when I come here, I'm just drawing a line. You understood what I'm doing? एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। That's more than enough. So let's go here and run this. Okay? Okay. Nothing. I'm just executing two instructions there along with this. Right? ये क्या हो रहा है समझे क्या? So everything what I wired up is a function. So each element is going to be a function. So I'm calling that function. Okay, so when this function is getting called, getting it right? When the function is getting called, we are executing this. And for that, we are wiring up another function, right? This is the one which is getting called back. Okay, this guy, whatever is pushing, it's coming and reaching here. Okay, we're calling the function x. So that is working fine. And look at the result. That's important for me. What's the result? So you saw the result here? That's absolutely fine. Same program I want to execute again. ये रहने दो आपके लिए निकाल दो इसी में चेंज करना है मुझे दूसरे में कर दो सो दिस इज जस्ट अ कॉल बैक ये तो बेकार में रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ ठीक है ठीक है नाउ सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग I am creating an object of an async module. Okay, the important one, async. I am creating an object of an async module. I am not using this for each loop now. I'm not using the for each loop. Let that for each loop be there for your reference. Instead of for each, I use async dot parallel. Could you see? Parallel. I just remove this. Okay, parallel. I have to tell which is your collection. Which is my collection now? Fun array. That's it. Comma. There's a callback. What we are registering. See callback. Okay. So you can see. So I can tell async function any. Okay. So error list is there. Okay. Anyhow, it's fine. There's a callback which is going to work for you. So when you use parallel, you can see what parallel is accepting. It's accepting your getting it right. So it's accepting your collection and then it accepts your function. What has to be called back? There's a callback function for you. Right? Is it clear? Yeah. So this is absolutely neat, clear and crisp. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? Now let us try running this. Let us try running this. Enter. Array. Cannot find module async. अभी आपको पता है क्या करना है. So I'm happy that you have learned it. बोलिए जनाब. ये चल रहा है ना? हाँ. चल रहा है. npm. Okay. So I'm looking at the module async. ठीक है? ऑफ कर दिया? हाँ. चेक कर रहे हैं ऑफ है या नहीं. Yeah. So I'll verify the package.json. Async आ गया. ठीक है? Everything is fine now. Now let's move. Now let's move. I have to get into that folder. Let me get in. Or else you can run from here also. So the folder where I am looking at is 05 async, right? Okay. Third one. Let us run this. और क्या गड़बड़ है? What is error? कॉल बैक में क्या गड़बड़ है? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. 1 minute. I'm just telling async parallel, and I'm just wiring up callbacks to this. क्या गड़बड़ है? That's all. It's a simple code. X is not a function. Oh, sorry. Abhi, sorry. That's my bad. So we are just supposed to register your function, which will be called back. ये सब गड़बड़ है. Okay? One array, and this is the function. It starts here, it ends here. ये तो extra है. Right, gentlemen? Earlier, I was just looping through the functions, right? So I was calling that function explicitly. Here, you have to just wire up the callback what is required. That's all. Now, when you just go here, excuse me, just run this. There it is. क्या हुआ? Async operation हुआ, right? So Apple started Apple, and you can see that all these are actually running parallelly now for you. Is that clear? Okay, so that means I want to execute parallelly. You saw what I got here, right? एक काम करते हैं. So I'll tell here. Why I'm stressing so much is I want to go into React after teaching all these to you. उस वहां पे यूज करना है ये सब. अभी क्या होगा? Could you guess? You understood, right? I'm just submitting everything parallelly. Okay, so all the answers will get converged, right? So async use कर रहे हैं. Now just run this. Okay, so it's failure pine. You can see, right? So एक null हो गया, एक failure pine हो गया. एक और failure करेंगे हम. एक और failure करेंगे. This is F4, F4, F4. Okay. हाँ देखो हेल्प आ गया. मैंगो. और इसको वायर अप करो. ठीक है जी. So there are a couple of failures for me now, right? So we just go here and run this. So mango start. Mango में क्या हो गया? F4 कुछ गड़बड़ है? We are pushing everything, right? क्या हो गया? इसका फेलियर क्या? No, 1 minute. I have to show you the other way. Mango. I'll wire up. Mango. And this. Okay. Now you can just run this. क्या हुआ? You got it? What happened? So ये सक्सेस हुआ. जब फेलियर होता है तो स्टॉप हो जाता है वहां पे. समझे? Okay. Now I'll tell you one more. इसको move करे on top. Now what do you guess the answer is? Success apple. Okay, failure mango. समझे ना? Okay, so when parallel execution happens, so whatever you have submitted, so this guy actually gives a failure, right? So other things are not considered for you. Okay, from where it fails, we stop there. Sanjay, but the rest of the things gets executed for you. Horoscope is verified. Yes, verified. Success. Qualification is verified. Yes, verified. Right? Verified. Success. और भी criteria है. Marital status, already married, नहीं चाहिए. Right? Hello? नहीं चाहिए. Okay, because it depends. Where? Okay, where? If the geolocation is India, matters already married, नहीं चाहिए. Arab countries, चाहिए. Go ahead. Right? So it depends. चले आगे? You got this idea what happens here with async? जब failure हो गया तो बाकी नहीं चाहिए हमें. Okay? So that's the meaning of that's what async is actually doing. ठीक ठाक है यहाँ पे? Now, चले आगे? I'll just take this further. Guys, what we are discussing, you all are getting it. So what we saw from the morning, we saw request, we saw async. Guys, afternoon, the art of listening is going down, guys, seriously. 4 बनाओ. ठीक है. Now see here. You all understood what happens? Okay, this is the callback function what I have registered. Please see here. This is the callback function what's being registered. Look at the change now. Excuse me. If error I'm telling return, otherwise I'm telling if error, I'll change this now. If error, I'll tell console error. Right? It has its own way to show the errors, right? Console error. If error, return error, or else console.log your success, which is going to be your message. Is that fine? If error, you return, or else. I'm just using an if statement now. If it is an error, log the error, or else just do this. Is that fine? Yeah. Now let's go here and run. So now I have to run number. क्या हुआ? Apple, orange. Okay, mango. अरे यार. Okay, mango पहले डाल दिया क्या मैं? Sorry, mango शुरू में ही डाल दिया था. अभी ठीक ठाक है? Mango is the one which returns an error, right? Pine also returns an error. Okay. Now look at the function. Right? So everything is getting executed. Where the failure is happening? Okay, fine. But where's the callback? I'm just printing the message there, right? So that's where it's hurting. Make sense? That's where it was erring. Okay, gentlemen, ये ऐसे समझ में आ रहा है? Hello? So if it is an error, I want to return. Okay, or else I'm just telling console dot, okay, console.log. So now what I'll do is, wait, I'll tell you what's happening. Now what I'm telling is success, fine, success, fine. I don't want it to accumulate. And here I'll tell it is none. Okay, now कहाँ तक जाएगा ये? Mango तक जाएगा. Right? Okay, it will go up to mango. Right? Failure mango. So fail हो गया यहाँ पे. कहीं पे fail हो गया तो accumulate नहीं करना है. अगर कहीं पे भी fail नहीं हुआ, this is the one. So no failures anywhere for you. Success mango. तो अब क्या होगा result? You can guess now. Now you get all the success. ठीक है? So I added the if statement. If any failure is there, I don't want any success to be accumulated, even if the success has happened before. I don't want to show any success. You have to just show only the failure. समझे क्या? Hello? Previous example and current example, you understood the difference. Previous example, what I did is, I didn't see, I was just telling log everything what is required. Keep on logging, keep on accumulating. Right? So error भी डाल रहे थे और this भी डाल रहे थे. So this is absolutely fine. Now, what I'm telling, let us remove this error. This error was a disturbance factor there. Okay, let it be. If error is there, you just, but whatever success is there, we were accumulating. But here I'm telling, if any error is there, you please return. I don't want to access any of the success. Recursion जैसा है जी, return, come out of it, that's all. ठीक है? Okay, so let us run this once and show you again. Right. I don't know whether you all followed what, because this is developed by some third party, right? We are just consuming it. What will be the output of the program now? Yes. So none of the callbacks will happen, but error will be with the mango. Got the idea? Okay. थोड़ा आगे लेके चलो. And guys, today also they're issuing books for you. Different set of books. Okay. हाँ? You have to contact Mohan. आपके लिए पढ़ने के लिए बहुत सारा बुक्स दे रहे हैं वो लोग. Okay. हाँ? बुक्स तो ले लो. Excuse me. आगे चलो. Guys, all these are important. वो आप लोग एपीआई की में डिस्टर्ब हो गया. Right, all of you lost that rhythm in API key. लंच के करीब में. That it happened during lunch. ठीक है जी. Excuse me. Please help me here. Okay, अभी excuse me. So what we are doing here, we are returning on error, guys. Return on error. Don't accumulate success. Okay. और यहाँ पे accumulate success and first error. अगर आपको सारा एरर पकड़ना है, okay, try put one try catch and see there, right? Okay, now I'm going to number 5. Excuse me, यहाँ पे देखो, I'm just using this. ये सब निकाल दूं, इसको भी निकाल दूं, सब निकाल देंगे, ठीक है, ठीक है जी. Now I have a function. I have a function for which I'm telling get message. एक कॉल बैक पैरामीटर जाएगा इस पे, ठीक है, एक कॉल बैक पैरामीटर जाएगा. इस कॉल बैक में आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ कॉल बैक. हेलो, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ कॉल बैक in which I'm telling null. Remember, always error is returned first. In the callback, always error is sent first, then the actual result. Okay, so callback. And आपको क्या भेजना है? Okay, I'll tell weather Bangalore. ठीक है जी, weather Bangalore. Then I'll have another function. एक और function लिखो. Okay, so which will take get message. So here I'll tell get latitude. Okay, get latitude. So यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू और एक मैसेज होगा, ठीक है, एक वैल्यू और एक मैसेज होगा. एंड देन here I'll call back. Here I'm telling latitude Bangalore. Something, we got some latitudes, that's fine. Then I'll have another function. So once you get the latitude and longitude, assume that you have obtained latitude and longitude, and now once you get latitude, longitude, I want to get the breeze speed. Okay, so the breeze speed. ठीक है जी, breeze speed. Okay, so where I'm telling 50 kilometers per hour. ठीक है, then I'll write a function result, or I'll tell print, excuse me, print में क्या आएगा, एरर आएगा और रिजल्ट आएगा. दिस इज जनरल, राइट, जनरल. इफ एरर, अगर एरर है आपके पास तो क्या करोगे, कंसोल डॉट error, print that error and return. Right, gentlemen? And console.log result. Excuse me, I'm just see first I have to send the information. Okay, Bangalore, urban, something, I'm sending some information. So I want the weather information. I'll tell Okay, the information is Bangalore urban. I'm just telling it's Bangalore urban. When I send this Bangalore urban, somebody should give me the latitude and longitude of it. Somebody will actually give you the weather report. Is that clear? Hello? Yeah. So here I'm telling get weather. What's the spelling for weather? Okay, so get weather for Bangalore urban, right? We are sending it is Bangalore urban. And here what happens? Okay, so the Bangalore urban, I want to get the latitude and longitude of Bangalore urban. Is that clear? Bangalore urban. And then once I get the latitude and longitude, I'll get the weather report. Okay, is that clear? So that means one method's output should become an input for the next method. And next method's output should become the input for the next method. Okay, got it? So that is called as waterfall model. Is it clear? Waterfall. First method should get executed, its result should go to the next method. Next method करें. Getting right. First Bangalore भेजेंगे, latitude मिलेगा. Okay, weather report calculate करेंगे. Is that clear? That's what is required. See what I'm doing here. Async, excuse me, async dot, what is required for you? Async dot waterfall. Async dot waterfall takes two, you can see, it takes the function stack and then it takes a callback. It takes two arguments, guys. Right. तो हम यहाँ क्या करें? Help me. I'll take these three functions. इस array के अंदर डाल देंगे. तीन फंक्शन हो गया, अरे के अंदर डाल दिया. और ये जो फंक्शन है कॉल बैक के लिए, इसके बाद एज अ सेकेंड पैरामीटर डाल देंगे. समझे? ओके, सो this is print result. This is print right, gentlemen. This print result, and that is it fine? Well, let's go here and run this. Okay, number run करो. Okay, so 50 kilometers, so that is absolutely fine. Okay, हम क्या करेंगे? You understood, right? So result is 50 kilometers per hour. मिल गया result. But you'll actually, that weather report API key I was searching, right? I was doing for this only actually. So first I'll use geolocation API. I'll send Bangalore urban. That will give me latitude, longitude. Then I have another website called Open Weather. उसके लिए हम भेजेंगे तो वो एक JSON data देगा, which will tell what is the humidity, okay, all those informations. वो API key में सब disturb हो गया. ठीक है? And your couple of your friends helped me to get API key. कहीं कहीं देख के वो ठीक नहीं हुआ. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll purchase one API key. Forget. Right? जो भी मालदार है यहाँ पे. हाँ, ठीक है. आगे चले. हाँ, देखो जी. Now, excuse me. देखो जी यहाँ पे console.log, excuse me, console.log, right? Console.log, I'll tell it is get weather. Get weather is getting called. ये नहीं चाहिए छोड़. I thought of putting it and calling it here. Get weather is called. और यहाँ पे क्या कॉल हुआ? Get latitude for whom? For whom? For where? And here when I come, I'm telling get breeze speed. It's very important. Okay, so you know the flight routes are decided. If somewhere the turbulence are very heavy, they'll tell okay, so don't go like this. So just bypass that somehow, right? एक 20 minutes देर हो जाएगा आपको ऊपर ही, right? हाँ, right. So get breeze speed and wow. हो गया? सब ठीक ठाक है. Now just go and run and see this. Is that clear? How the calls happened, you saw? Understood what is waterfall? ये इनबिल्ट है जी. In this library, async library में inbuilt है. So what parallel did, you saw, right? All the functions got executed and all the results reached you, right? Okay, so that's what parallel did. And we saw from the async library, we saw waterfall. Okay. चले आगे. Understood what waterfall is? You want me to stop this?